Hey guys, it's Chris from Florida Drone Supply, and we are back with a new video on the Teledyne FLIR SIRAS. This drone has been out for about 10 months, and we have seen it go through constant updates, changes, and enhancements from the team over at Teledyne. And today, we are back with the latest firmware update. Teledyne launched version 1.16.59 and it has quite a few fixes and enhancements. There have been some issues with the ground control station inside of the drone and its overall stability, but with this firmware update, it seems that it has been improved dramatically. We highly recommend that if you own a Siras, install this update before your next flight, as this is an important update to your flight and aircraft controls. A few of the features and fixes include flight stability and control improvements, improved verification calibration of GCS controls before flight, improved sensitivity of the ground control station and stick response, improved gimbal stability, improved thermal image quality, which is crazy because of how good this thermal camera was to begin with. They also enabled the 20 megapixel RGB capture during interval capture missions, and this is a jump up from the 16 megapixels that was there before the update. These are just a few of the improvements that have been released with 1.16.59, and I would not be surprised if there was another release in the very near future. With this drone coming up on its 1-year anniversary, I would expect some additional payloads coming out very soon, but what those may be, we have no idea, but the second we know, you will know. If you need help installing the update, give us a call at 855-8-DRONES or refer to the firmware installation video in the link below. There's also a link to download the firmware in the description below, as well as all of the release notes. As always, thank you for watching, and we look forward to speaking with you very soon.